Yeah, okay, and so this is Sparkle, and I've been looking after Sparkle's physical, mental, spiritual performance, health, and wellness since she was a pup, and first in this household. And she is a little rock star, let me tell you, from agility to the field. She's had a beautiful litter of puppies. She is just an amazing creature. So she's getting a little older now, and hey, come back here, you. So now it's about maintaining her health. She does have a few little boo-boos now. She's got a wrist issue we've been dealing with, and we want to keep her healthy, comfortable, happy, as active as she can be in her as she goes into her senior years. Hi. Right. What? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. Let's test a girl's chakras. Okay. Yeah. Good girlie. Goodness, already. We've got an open root, good. Open, good. Solar plexus open. Throat is closed. Again. Big heart. Open. Open. So just her throat closure. And a throat closure can indicate a communication issue. However, in Sparkle's case, that is not the issue, rarely is. It's because she has a boo-boo. She has a compromise on her right foreleg, on the wrist area. She has a swelling issue. And that's what we're going to pay attention to today, is balancing out her energy system and providing some energy healing and support directly to the wrist area. You ready? Yeah. Good. It's wonderful. It's a nice release. Yeah. Good. So this particular stone resonates with the throat chakra, and which is where her closure was. So we're going to use this stone to stimulate, work through, helps with the healing of the whole area. And I'm going to apply it on her wrist as well. So we're focusing in on the right wrist. This is where the swelling, the unusual swelling is that we've been dealing for some time now. It hampers her movement some, but it sure doesn't dampen her spirit. She still loves to swim and do her job. She is definitely a rock star. She is a hard worker. She is at her happiest and finest when she is performing. So we are at the end of Sparkle's treatment, and she has been completely balanced out. Chakras are balanced, chi flow's going nicely. We've done some direct energy work on her swollen wrist, and with hopes that that is going to help give it some relief. And of course, she has great care at home with her mama Annabelle as well. I do in-home sessions. You can bring your critter to me at the clinic, or I can do remote sessions, as I have done all 3 of those with these animals. If I can help you with your pet, give me a call.